Okay, so this video shows how to use the sweep feature in Inventor. So this is kind of different in that you basically are using two different sketches at the same time. So if you imagine what an Allen wrench looks like, and there's like a hexagon, and it typically has like a 90-degree angle bow. So the two features of the sweep, one of them is the path, one of them is the shape of the extruded thing, and then the other one is the path that that shape follows. Using regular extrude, you're normally just extruding straight in one direction. Sweep allows us to kind of change directions with the path of the shape. So I'm going to start off creating the shape, and I'm going to create a hexagon. There's a polygon feature here under rectangle, where I can choose 6 sides. I'm start from the origin, and I'm going to say, let's go to the side, and then I'm going to dimension from flat to flat. Let's make that 1 inch. And then notice it's still not fully constrained. It's just because it can rotate. So I'm going to make this point here horizontal with the origin, and we're locked in. I'll finish sketch, and that sketch is done. All right. So now I have to make a sketch on a plane that is perpendicular to this face so that it can go that way or this way. If I look at my planes here, I'm on the XY plane right now. So I need to use either the XZ plane or the YZ plane. All right, so I'm going to use the YZ plane. So I'm going to start sketch, YZ plane, and the origin is still here. So the origin right there, my hexagon is centered on that origin. All right, and it's still showing that sketch. I'm going to actually make this sketch invisible. So I'm going to right click visibility to turn that sketch off. But I know that my hexagon is centered on the origin. So I'm going to make, now I'm going to create the profile that hexagon is going to follow. So I'm going to start with a line. I'm going to go, let's go 2 inches in this direction. Then we're going to go 4 inches down. All right. And then I'm going to add a fillet here. I usually do fillets in the 3D mode, but for the purposes of using sweep, I'm going to do it in the 2D mode. So fillet. Let's make that a 1/4 inch. And click on my corner here. And then we're good to go. So now I'm going to finish sketch. And I'm going to bring the visibility back from the previous sketch. Now I have my hexagon. I have the path that it's going to follow. I'm going to go to sweep. Now it's selected the profile for me because there's only one enclosed profile here. So the profile has been selected. The path arrow is highlighted. Click on that again. And that purple line right there, that is the path that it's going to follow. And I only have a choice but to join. If I had something there that I was cutting out of, I could cut. And I'm going to hit OK. And I have my little hex key formed from the hexagon and the path with the 90-degree turn.